Some part of this land is acquired by Uganda National Roads Authority, UNRA, for the development of Entebbe Expressway in the city. Yes. This estate has two divisions. One is Nakigalala, where we are standing, and another one is called Kansiri is on the other side. It has the capacity of 488 hectares, which is occupied by tea plantation. Where you are seeing that long communication mast, it is where our offices are located. And that long communication vista, it was for TV channel. And the small one is for Airtel network. In 1948, tea planting was completed and the factory was set up. When you plant it, it grows when it is very weak and it needs a lot of caring. When you look at the tree, it is not empty. To make it empty, you need to put a lot of fertilizer and chemicals. Yeah? But when you use the cutting in, it can spend only 12 months in the nursery bed, and you transplant it to the what? To the main garden. What grows is this one. Are you seeing there's something here? What I'm calling the bud. So we leave this one to feed that bud. The mosquito, huh? Yeah. Then you, the tree is not like other vegetables where you take the document. So what the man did, he decided to transfer its factory from here up to the other district in a place called Mwera. The distance from here up to Mwera, where the factory is 80 kilometers. So it is very far. That is the short historical background of this estate that gives you. Let us look at the factors that favored the establishment of this estate. This estate is located near Lake Victoria Basin, and it has the altitude of 3,750 feet above the sea level. The altitude is 3,750 above the sea level, which indicates good climate for tea growing. Rainfall received is between 1,500 to 2,250 milliliters per annum or per year. Temperature. In Nakigalala, the temperature is very low. The temperature is between 15 to 25 degrees centigrade. 15 to 25 degrees centigrade. Soil pH 5, meaning that our soil is acidic. And this one also proved to us that the tea can only grow very well in acidic soil, but not all types of tea are grown in acidic soil. In Nakigalala, we are having only two types of tea. One is called Assam, ASSUM. Assam, we got the seeds from Sri Lanka. And another one is called HB3. HB3, we got it from here. And lastly, we are having ready market for our products in Mombasa auction. We don't look for the market. We just load it to the container and send it to Mombasa auction. And there is no need for us to go and sell it by. We have the people who sell on our behalf. There are people who sell on behalf of the company. These people, they are called African tea bloggers, ATT. Now, let us look at the problems. Problems facing tea farming in Nakigalala. Number one is long distance to the factory. As I told you earlier, that the factory, from here up to where the factory is located, it takes a lot of time on the way and consumes a lot of fuel. Another one is power load shedding by the power company. You find that when the manufacturing is going on, the power is on and off, on and off. And when the manufacturing is going on and the power disappears, it means the majority which is in the machine can get spoiled. Another challenge that we are having is pests and diseases like termites, malaria, black aphid, mealybug. These are all threats to our estate. Another problem is soil erosion. When you look at the nature of our land, you find that during the rainy season, there is too much running water from up coming to the tea plantation. And you find that some tea plants has been taken away by the running water. Next are prolonged drought. You know, in tea, we sell the leaf. And when the rain is not there, the leaf cannot grow. And the company loses productivity. Another one is the resistance to weeds. During the rainy season, you find the whole tea garden is covered with weeds. And controlling it becomes a very big problem. Another one, yes, development of infrastructure like roads. Another one, yes, it is a source of revenue to the government. The company should use the irrigation system during the dry spell. Thank you. Another problem. Yes. The company should construct more accommodations for the workers to avoid inconvenience, avoid fighting and everything in the labor camp. Yes. Another one, we talked about weeds. Companies should start using terracing method. Now, what are the negative effects? Yes? Displacement of people. Soil infertility. Soil exhaustion.
Observe in the north of those hills, there is some settlement. There is settlement. We have telecommunication masts on top of those hills. Then below there is a valley, that is Kajansi Valley. There is even Entebbe Expressway. We turn the direction. We are now in the south. In the south, and eucalyptus trees also. Even the Catholic shrine on that hill. Then we have also settlement, and some food crops also are grown there. Let us turn to the west. In the west, we are now facing in the west. We have offices, sub-quarters, telecommunication mast also is there for Airtel. The short one is for Airtel. The long one was for the TV channel of Madivan. We have the natural forest, that's Nakigalala natural forest. Let us now look on the side of the east where you entered from. That is where we are facing, we are now facing the east. We have Kajansi swamp. We have Kajasi stream.
How do you know that the tea is ready for harvesting? With the tea, we have what is called the plucking ground. When they pluck like today, tomorrow they start counting. 1, 2, 3. When it reaches to 7 to 10 days, you know that it is due for harvesting. Whether the leaf is there or not, you have to bring the workers to come and do what? And pluck. It is 7 to 10. In the Nakigalala, we are having 450 workers.
And we have learned a very big lesson that we are going to get outside and remove the message. The solutions have made us problem solvers, have made us geographers. We have learned very many things. So we promise to take the information that you have told us here into our papers, into our mocks that we are preparing to, and we just appreciate that you have added much in our excellence.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the appreciation. I also pray that God should guide you wherever you are going.